was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia Kembuthi. If you're not new here, welcome back. So this was on when was it? I don't even remember. It was on a Tuesday, a Wednesday. Yeah, it was on a Wednesday. That was last week, but one because you'll be watching this video on Sunday, which is tomorrow. So it was last week, but one. We had gone with my friend Carol to get our KCSE certificate after a long time. Imagine kutoka 2021 watu walimaliza high school 2021 ndio wanaendea certificate zao za KCSE, but anyway tuliziendea and tukafika kwa gate. Tell me why the watchman, the watch lady is asking us, why you in this school? Ujue tulikawia before tuende hizo certificate. In fact, hakuna mtu anatujua, like all the students, only like a few teachers tuseme, tumekawia before tuende hizo certificate. But anyway, yeah, we went to get them. Then after that, saa tukakuja kukula lunch, not pizza in, chicken in, Kiambu Mall. So this is what you're currently seeing. We were there for lunch, we had lunch, we tukongea, and we went home after that. So in this video you'll be seeing me also cooking mukimo, recipe for mukimo, as you'll see na uko mbele kwa video. But anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, you're not doing me justice. Please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, that's Carol, by the way. Yeah, that's Carol. She was shy, my lord. Hey, she was shy. But anyway, yeah.
when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you don't need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you don't need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
So hapa nilikuwa naosha the pumpkin leaves for the mukimo. So for mukimo you need pumpkin leaves, you need potatoes, you need githeri with the githeri, that is if you're using githeri beans or the one for peas. You either choose whichever you want. So me, I was using the with beans, and then you'll also need onions and oil and salt, and that's all. But you'll see the whole procedure. So first of all, we're going to wash these pumpkin leaves, then blend them to get that green consistency, ndio ipee hiyo mukimo hiyo color ya green, because mukimo is always green, as you know. And yeah, also you'll see me making ribena juice because we went and got some fruits. And yeah, So this is where the onions and the oil come in. So utaipika until it turn golden brown, then you will add your mukimo after umeibonda bonda ikaturn to kuwa in this form venye yangu inakaa. Then you add the kitunguu with the oil. Then you should add salt in all the places umeona nikiongeza salt until you feel chakula yako iko na chumvi ya kutosha. But hata nikiibonda bonda I added salt so that itosha because it was not enough. But anyway, yeah, that's all, and you will have your mukimo ready to serve. And yeah, so the next thing I made was ribena juice. As I had said earlier, I will be making ribena juice. So we went, picked some fruits with my mom, and I came and made juice out of it. And yeah.
Talk to me